So today we're gonna make my everyday recipe. I mean, I make this every single day. It's my standard. It has been for the last 5 years. What it is a tuna with, for now, mashed potato. Usually I do salad, but because there's no salad, I'm gonna use mashed potato with some eggs, and this onion is for the tuna.
You're going to start by peeling the potato. I'm using a knife because I couldn't find my peeler. Then chop it up into small pieces. Why? It's because this will help it cook faster, so you can get to the eating part much quicker. These potato pieces are now chopped, washed, and ready to be boiled.
The kettle just finished, so now you want to add a little dash of salt. You want more control over the salt because you want to put your own butter into it, and then it's better to add salt at the end.
Pour enough boiling water into the pan to cover the potatoes well and let them cook until they're all nice and soft. Get your onion all nice and diced up. The smaller the pieces, the better. Open your can of tuna, and if you have tuna with sunflower oil, then pour the oil onto the onions. This saves you wasting oil and helps the onions pre-cook. You want to cook the onions until they're golden pretty much. This is because the tuna cooks really fast, so if you want everything to be ready and perfect together, then the onions need a bit of help first. Now add in all your seasoning. You can use whatever you want. I use chili powder, cumin. I basically use everything I have in my house, and I don't know what exactly they are, but I use them. And I want you to do the same thing. If you know you like that thing, then just dump it in there. There's no issue with that. You can try it out. Maybe next time don't do it. Remember, no salt. Just anything but salt.
Something I didn't mention is that for the mashed potatoes, you're going to need butter. A bunch of butter and a tiny bit of salt, maybe. Let's see. That's a good amount for one potato. Now put that in the microwave so it's hot. Not more than like 15 seconds or your microwave's going to be gone. Okay, so I'd say we're done here. Put it straight in there. Tiny bit of oil for the eggs. And lovely. Pour it right in there. You want to just do all of this in the pan because it's hot and it's the best way to do it. Mixing. I do have a potato masher, but I don't want to use it. Perfect, and look what we have. It's a bit too stiff, so I might add a bit of milk. Now I can't taste this, but you should taste yours because I'm wearing like braces basically, Invisalign aligners. But you should taste yours, check the salt. But I can't do that, so I'm gonna go with this. Now 2 medium-sized eggs. If you have small eggs, maybe go for 3. If you have big eggs, maybe go for 1. Cheers. I do also add some cheese. Nothing wrong with that. And that's it. Maybe give the eggs 1 flip. And done. Put that right there. And as we were talking, our bread is now done. And wow, would you look at that?
This is exactly how you want it. As you can see, the eggs are crispy, golden, but still soft and gooey. The onion tuna are mixed well together. The mashed potato almost looks elastic, and that gives it a beautiful texture.
Now, we're going to take this upstairs to give it a try. I think he likes it. Wow, I've outdone myself. You guys are welcome. It is perfect. Now I'm going to finish eating this, and I hope you make one as good as this. If you don't make it on the first try, make it again. Who knows? Who cares? Right? Try and try again. You'll make the perfect tuna special. That's what we'll call it.